Make a great choice today with the 2019 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built in a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, compass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.